Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using Mint to keep your finances in check, you're going to love this quick guide on how to add a bill reminder. It's a game changer for avoiding late fees and staying on top of your payments. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Mint app installed on your phone or open it on your web browser. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Bills tab. It's usually at the bottom of the app or in the side menu. This is where all your bill management happens. Now, click on Add Bill or Manage Bills. You'll see a form pop up where you can enter the details. Start by typing in the bill's name, like electricity bill or rent. Next, add the amount you typically pay and the due date. Mint makes this super straightforward. Here's the key part: setting up the reminder. There's a specific option for reminders. Look for it under the bill settings. You can choose how many days in advance you want to be notified, such as 3, 5, or 7 days before the due date. This way, you'll get a push notification or email to keep you reminded. After you've filled everything out, hit Save or Add. Mint will automatically track this bill and send you reminders. If you need to edit it later, just go back to the bill section and make changes. One quick tip: double-check that your notification settings are enabled in the app to ensure you don't miss anything. And if you're new to Mint, it's a fantastic tool for budgeting and tracking expenses too. There you have it. Adding a bill reminder in Mint is that easy. It only takes a couple of minutes and can save you a ton of hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.